This is not sponsored by WeThinkCode. I don't get paid for this. I'm just helping y'all guys. Hi, my name is Edzo Kelvin Shinga and I'm from WeThinkCode, and today I will discuss with you how you can nail the bootcamp right after you got accepted. If you pass an online assessment, this is what you want to do. First, learn Python. If you learn Python, that will make your bootcamp days easier. It'll make most of the work at the bootcamp a bit easier, because if you don't learn Python at the bootcamp, you're going to be looking like a fool, because you have to know something. You have to know something in Python. You have to be at least familiar with variables, strings, tuples, and other fundamentals in Python. If you want to help yourself to do better at the bootcamp, you better learn Python right now. Learn Python, guys. And the second thing that you want to do while learning Python, you want to be familiar with executing the code, because you'll be using YouTube tutorials. Make sure that you download or maybe watch YouTube tutorials about Python. There's so many lecturers on YouTube that teach about Python, and they can make you a really good programmer in Python. So if you watch, while you're watching a video, you're going to be executing your own code in your own machine. So you're going to get your own computer or your own laptop, and while watching a tutorial, you will be doing what the lecturer is doing, so that you will be familiar with executing code. Because if you don't do that at the bootcamp, you're going to be looking like a fool. Again, I'm saying at the bootcamp, you're going to look like a fool if you don't learn to execute your own code. Now, let's talk about what you can do at the bootcamp. Now, this is the most important part, because this is where most people fail. I'm going to let you guys know what you can do at the bootcamp in order to stand out and in order to get selected. Everything that I'm going to tell you is based on my experience and that the skills and the strategies that I used in order to get accepted at the bootcamp. Because these strategies will trigger the mentors, they will trigger everybody, and you will definitely stand out if you do what I'm about to tell you. And please watch the whole video, because if you miss a point, it's going to be a problem for you. So this is what you want to do at the bootcamp. The first thing, you want to be nice to everybody.
Wow.
I don't care how beautiful you are. I don't care how handsome you are. You have to be nice to everyone at the bootcamp. Be nice to people. Be nice to everyone. Like, that's the key. Be nice. I don't care how mean you are. I don't care how people know you. But at the bootcamp, you have to be nice. These are the key factors that are going to make your bootcamp days nice. This will make you stand out. Do exactly what I say, because nobody actually knows the actual selection criteria for WeThinkCode. So these things, that no matter their criteria, if you do these things, you will stand out and you will get accepted. I said you have to be nice to everyone. Now, ask questions. The second thing that you want to do at the bootcamp, you want to ask questions. Make sure that you ask questions. If you don't know, you ask someone else. And make sure that you bother the mentors, because the mentors are the ones who will be selecting people who seem to have the potential. If you bother the mentors with the questions, like if you're struggling with something, just call the mentor to come to you and they will explain it to you. Like, WeThinkCode mentors are very nice guys. Like, you just have to raise your hand and say, hey, I have a problem here and here and here, and they will help you. They will, like, with anything that you want, you are going to get help. And the more you ask questions, it triggers them. Like, they see that this person is willing to learn. Like, this person wants to learn. He wants or she wants to know about this. So another thing that you want to do at the bootcamp is you want to help people that need help. You can just get up and go around, ask anyone if they need any help with something that you know. If you know something, make sure that you pass the knowledge to somebody else, because there's going to be a lot of people who are struggling with some basic stuff at the bootcamp. So you want to make sure that you are still helping other people. You have to help other people, because if you do help other people, they see that since WeThinkCode is a peer-to-peer learning environment, they see that you will be passing information to other learners. So it's good. It's good for WeThinkCode. Like, it's good for everyone. Like, if you know something, you want somebody else to know it too. So yeah, just help other people. This is going to be the most important thing that you want to do at the bootcamp. You want to finish all your work. I swear to God, all the work that you have been given, make sure that you finish it. They want to see that you are willing to finish what you started. Even if you are wrong, just write the code, submit it. Make sure that you finish all your work. I'm telling you the things based on my experience. You want to finish all the work, because if you don't finish work, they will see that as soon as you struggle, you don't finish things. Guys, you have to finish. I'm sure you get my point. Finish all the work that you have been given. This is the most important thing ever. I don't care how dumb you are. I even got 0 on my exam. I got 0 on my exam, but I finished all the work. The one last thing that you want to do is you want to take the group project seriously. Like, you guys will be given group projects and you want to make sure that you take them serious. Like, play your part. Do the project and make sure that you finish it, and make sure that the code that you write in the project, make sure that you can explain the code that you write, because you guys are going to be getting reviewed. Mentors want to see if you actually understand the code that is written in your group project. So like, they will separate you in groups and then they will call you to review to ask you all questions about the code that you wrote in the project. So you want to make sure that you can explain what you wrote. You have to write it yourself. You have to write it yourself so that you understand it, so that when the mentor asks, what does this line of code mean? Like, what were you doing here? So that you will be able to explain what's going on. You know, I'm sure you get my point. So guys, I was just advising y'all based on my experience. The bootcamp is not going to be easy. It's going to be a lot of challenges, and make sure guys that you stay strong and you don't give up. At some point, you will feel like, nah, this is not for me, because this is too much. But trust me, guys, don't give up. Just put all your energy at the bootcamp, and don't forget to pray to God, because God put me where I am today. So guys, peace out.